Hello everyone, this is introduction of setup screen. First, press the knob of the controller to enter the menu and choose Communication Settings, Network Settings. Set mode to menu, set IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway, and ensure the controller and the control PC are on the same network segment. After the settings, select Apply and press the knob. Next, load receiving card files. From the menu bar, choose Tools, Maintain. Move to the Tail Maintain tab. Select all the tail first and choose the correct file by clicking Upload File, Upload Config, and then click Back to set input source. In the device list on the left, select the corresponding controller. Double-click a source subdial in the source list at the bottom. Set the resolution and the frame rate and click Apply. Next, topology configuration. Click Layout, choose the port, and you will see the mapping for all the receiving cards. Configure the screen by following the mapping info. Till now, things all done. If you still wonder more details, please check the user manual.